Hello, happy people. How are you all? So, instead of Shivani, I'll be hosting the gratitude hour today, and it will be for 35 minutes. So, thank you all for joining. So, we'll start with our invocation. This is who we are. We are a team, talented, energetic, astonishing mindsets. We can do anything and everything. We talk, we care, we respect each other. We see beauty in everything. We are connected by hearts and driven by values. We celebrate each other. We provide value to each other. We take ownership in everything we do. We have freedom to make mistakes. We learn as we go. We are mad to make a difference. We love disruptive ideas. We make impossible things possible. We are strong to question the creation. We believe in dreaming big. If we do not dare to dream big, are we really living? Why be ordinary when we can be extraordinary? We should be driven by our goals, not by egos. We can do it. We will do it. Let us not hope for the best. Let us be the best. This is who we are. Okay. So, um, we started started thinking about Thope gratitude in October or November of 2019. That's when we started thinking about this. And then in January or February of 2020, Shivani took, uh, I might be off by certain months, but very close. Then, Shivani said she will take care of the gratitude program. And that's when we started, and then, what do you call, this pandemic happened, and we still continued the gratitude uh, program through the pandemic also. Okay, so you can see it has already been almost, it will be very close, it is almost 2 years now. Not, so even though it feels like it just started yesterday, it is almost like 2 years now. And you can see the amount of happiness we have given to many, many, many people because of the gratitude nature which all of us are creating every single day. Okay, so I want to hear from each one of you how uh, what is gratitude uh, you know means to you, and uh, how is it playing a role in your life. uh, Anyone wants to start? Okay, go ahead, Geeta.
So, Shravan, I'm so glad you asked that question. Actually, we know, right? Gratitude. We have read. I have read in many places that in on the vibration scale, gratitude is the highest, right? But getting there, knowing that is not enough. But getting to that feeling is not so easy.
Right.
So, with gratitude hour that Shivani has started, it's a constant reminder, and then now recently Nivi added I accept myself, right? So both put together um, actually have helped me. I keep reminding myself every morning, hey, I need to do my gratitude journal. So what has become important for me, and it's still something that I have to practice to get there, is being grateful even when the situation is not so great.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
so that is something I'm trying to practice. When the things are all good, it's easy to be grateful for it, but when they're not so good is when that is my effort right now.
Yes.
So
uh, well said, Geeta. What happens is, this is another couple of ways I have been thinking. One is like, so we all have our finite mindset, right? We are all in a box. And so, but see, when we want to interact with the infinite mindset, or God consciousness or something else. One of the ways is the gratitude mindset. The more gratitude you have in a day, you actually get a peak of the infinite. Even though you are finite, it opens you up. That vibration takes you to that infinite. So that gratitude mindset is that bridge or that opening between the finite mindset and the infinite mindset. So that's one way I look at it.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Gita. Oh, okay. Okay. So another way to look at the gratitude mindset is also, you can look at that finite mindset which we have is also as a learning mindset. Okay. And the infinite mindset as the compassionate mindset. And so when you have less gratitude, you are still, learning mindset is really more of a mind thing, right? So learning mindset combined with gratitude mindset is what is takes you to compassionate mindset. And so it's really, so everywhere I see gratitude mindset as the bridge between learning mindset and compassionate mindset, or the finite mindset and the infinite mindset. uh, so that is another way to look at it. Okay, because we as human beings are always thinking. Our brain is always churning ideas. So always know that when you are really grateful. The other day, Sangeeta, even though her presentation was only like, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe, and in that 5 minutes she thanked Divya, she thanked Apurva, she thanked Shivani. I mean, in that, just that short 5 minutes, she thanked so many, and then she thanked the whole Topi cell many, many times. Look at the gratitude she showed in just 5 minutes. Welcome, Sriram. Uh, hey, Nidhi, go ahead. Can you talk now?
Sir, now is my voice audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So firstly, I mean I got to introduce like I got this gratitude mindset through Shivani Akka, because one day when I was new to Top ESL, Shivani Akka have sent me a gratitude card, and I really felt very happy. Uh, I mean, that happiness was just priceless for me on that morning. So as soon as I received gratitude card, I have sent a written card for Shivani Akka to express my gratitude towards her. That is how I wrote my first gratitude card to Shivani Akka. And from then, I got to know the importance of gratitude every single day, because it's important to practice gratitude every single day, because
Right.
it will make us remember the things which we don't even remember, because small things really matters all the time, because that is how we make our life easier. I mean, remembering recollecting all the little moments, and being happy for that is always important, because we can't get big accomplishments or big things every time, but we can be satisfied with what we have. So that is how this gratitude will help us. And whenever I feel low or anything, or any, like whenever I feel low, sad, or at any moment, I try gratitude. I just try in the form of cards, or in the form of appreciating someone, or with good gestures, or with anything, like I can, I mean, just motivating someone who is very low. So in that way, I feel like I have provided value to many people, and that is how I live in gratitude every day. I mean, I'm practicing it every single day, and I feel like I mean, showing gratitude will help us to provide value for the people and for the world too, because it makes a huge difference in one's
Yes.
life if we are grateful for others.
I mean, maybe at such a young age, you figured it out. because there will always be days when you're feeling sad, and you created a tool for yourself. You're saying, oh, okay, I'm sad, I'll write a gratitude card. See, that's a tool. You figured it out.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
great job, Nivi. um,
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else who wants to talk about how gratitude has been helping them? Nikhil, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. It was in my first year when I got introduced to gratitude. Like when I thanked thanked Shanti sir for giving me opportunity to do internship, I could see that
So
small
who did you
token of
thank, Nikhil? Who did you
Shanti
thank?
sir.
Oh,
Shanti
Shanti.
sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yes. I
Yes,
remember that. Yes, I
yes,
remember you went and gave it to him in person, right? The gratitude
yes,
card.
yes,
Yeah, you
yes,
and
sir.
your sister.
Yes, sir. And we just gave a small gift with that card, so I could see how much difference it made
Yes.
in Shanti sir's life. Like he got very excited, like a kid. Oh, you're giving me you're giving me a special thank you gift. Like it really made me know the importance of thanking.
Yes.
Since then you have been mentioning me to give a
Yes.
thank you card and many things, but I felt like usually we do, right? So what is the special thing in it? But I thought that let me do this. It might let me see what happens this time. But when I saw that excitement in Shanti sir, I just felt like yes, this is something different which makes difference, like which
Yes.
makes us put in a different thought.
Yes.
And then when attitude of gratitude book, when Shivani started and when we started writing gratitude cards and creating millions of smiles in the world, we I also use gratitude as a tool to decrease my negativity. Like whenever I feel like
Okay.
someone is doing well, sometimes we feel jealous, right?
Right.
So I don't take it inside. I just realize that there is some feeling coming up which will make my day worst. So let me put a little time to convert it into a gratitude. And when I do that, we will remember the previous memories, how we did something very well, right? So I
Right.
used to include them, and within couple of seconds the the thought just gets vanished.
Yes.
That is something really very very important tool which I learned. And the other thing is that, as I was mentioning about gratitude, how firstly it really makes a difference. While I was approaching professors for knowing their research positions, I could see that the only difference, like we mail them to know whether they have an opportunity. This is the basic thing. So if if they don't have any opportunity, they will mail that we don't have any opportunity, right? So this is the thing. So there is nothing, I felt like there is nothing. I am providing value. I am mailing them to know whether they have or not. They are in reply saying that we have or we don't have. So I added a flavor of gratitude to my mail, like mentioning made how their contribution inspired me. I just try do a sent a gratitude card along with the mail. And and I don't, like, once I did that, complete that mail, I feel a bit good, because if at all I don't get any positive reply, it's okay. I made them smile for their work, right? So that was something, that attitude what we build on, when I started applying to the things, I really enjoyed. Like, thank you, sir.
Very well done, Nikhil. These are what you did to that professor is so important because see, anyway, you're asking for some kind of information, some kind of, hey, do I want to work, right? I mean, if you want to work for someone, why not see greatness in them? Why not see beauty in them? Just saying, oh, I need your money, that is not. So you're setting up this thing saying, I really see beauty in you, I really like you, I really admire you. So you're creating this environment where he'll be like, wow. And so in case it does happen, you do get a fellowship, you start off with a good place. If suppose say you don't have that gratitude card, you just he sent a message, you sent a message, and you have this technical conversation. I mean, you didn't create a good environment to know. You're not connecting by hearts at that time. You're just connecting by minds. Okay, so in this way you're doing, this is beautiful. What you did is, keep it up, Nikhil, keep it up.
And one more point, sir. Like, when I sent a mail to one of the professors, I just received a emoji in the mail. Usually we consider email as a professional thing, right? We make sure everything is professional. When I saw an emoji, I could see how much
He
difference
was
that
happy.
gratitude card made in that professor.
Nice, nice. Well done, well done. uh, hey, Swapna.
Yes, sir. I'm very thankful to my roommates because while during our TOEFL meetings, they maintain very silence. I'm very
Wow.
thankful to them. I always show gratitude towards them. I'm eagerly waiting to do help to them.
Very nice, Swapna. That's really good. Who are your roommates?
We are 10 members, sir.
Hmm.
Three branches. I
Okay.
am only from the Topi cell, from my room.
Oh, wow. And even then, all the remaining nine are being very polite and don't make any noise, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely. You should be thankful to them. Oh, that is really neat. Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Swapna. Uh, Kranti?
Initially, when I joined the official, before joining the official, I know the word gratitude means showing thankfulness. But when I joined in the official, I literally felt the gratitude word, sir. I am adopting to gratitude, showing gratitude. When I joined in the office of Top Talk, one of the Top Talk, then from Top Gratitude team, I received a card, sir, from Shivani Akka. At that time, I felt very happy that by reading that gratitude card, I don't even know Shivani Akka, who is Shivani Akka, but I received message from Shivani Akka maybe at 2:30 a.m. I'm sorry. Unintentionally, I woke up at that time and I checked my phone at 3 o'clock. By watching that card, I felt very happy and immediately I replied to Shivani Akka at that time. Then later, day by day, later I asked to Tarun that what is this card, Tarun? Yeah. Then I asked. Then he said about the Canva to me. I am not familiar with that at that time. Then he said how to write the gratitude cards. Yeah. Then I started writing gratitude card for firstly my first card for Shivani Akka, and then I am introduced to one of the project by Trivani Akka. Then I wrote gratitude card to Trivani Akka. Day by day, I am adapting to that gratitude nature. Then I wrote number of cards to Tejasri Akka. Those cards made me to connect with her much. Um, these cards made me to connect with many. Yeah, I wrote some of the cards to our seniors too. And one day, while I am going for a trip, every time when I am go to trip, we will go in a car, but and I will sleep in that car up to I reach my destination. But one day I hadn't slept. I thought to write gratitude cards this time, and I started writing gratitude cards until I reached my destination. So I've written 20 cards, I think so, nearly, and I sent them to. Then I got few more connections which I don't have before. And they called me and they spoke with me for for a meanwhile, and they spent and they text, some of those are texted, and these may so that's the reason I am making our team to write gratitude cards in our top 8 pillars team too.
Right.
By that we can connect to a number of people, I thought, and I am making our team to write gratitude cards. Those people are also accepting and writing and sending by time. I am very thankful to Topisel every time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kranti. Wow, that is really nice. Those are really good experiences you mentioned. So, for Chandan, Sangeeta, and Sriram, the question is, how is gratitude helping you in your life? What is what do you think of gratitude? So, Chandan, Sangeeta, and Sriram, do you want to say anything?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Sangeeta.
Yes, sir. Gratitude feels positive vibes around us. When we say thank you to them, they unknowingly or unknowingly they give a smile, a small smile.
Yes.
That lights up very much.
Right.
Yes, every time when we are doing that, in return they also thank us.
Yes.
Yes, that's when we hear the word of thank you. It's okay. We feel positive vibes, very positiveness. Our energy boosts. I'm experienced that, sir, every time. Literally, when now also if I get any appreciation card or a gratitude card, I'll definitely read more than 10 times, and by reading I blush actually.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sangeeta.
Thank you,
Uh,
sir.
Sriram, Chandan.
Good evening, all. Thank you for this wonderful session. So, I was trying to think from the heart instead of my usual, um, sort of way, I would say, is that it's all thinking from the mind, and I find that that it is sometimes very counterproductive. So, I was just thinking, instead of just coming up with words, how is it that the heart can speak? First thing I want to do is, the heart says, in all the words that have been expressed, there is something behind the words. So the words are okay, but there is something behind the words. And now, if you look at all the adjectives that have been posted, I think, in the chat window, and the words, adjectives that have been used by people, Nikhil said, use the word good, he feels good. Somebody said beautiful, somebody said inspiring. Now, if you look at all these different words, what is common to them? And I think that is something that Sangeeta had mentioned, that there is a positivity about it. And overall, it I feel, if you think about a person who has to be the best that they possibly can be. Okay, so each person, the best that they possibly can be, how would they be? And I think that is summed up in that, when you are feeling extreme and honest gratitude from your soul, from your heart, you are the best that you can possibly be. Because at that moment, you are not conditioned by anything. You're not conditioned by your past upbringing, your environment. You are not conditioned by analysis of the future. You are not conditioned by what you can get back from others. You have just let go of all that. The only thing you want to convey is that something good has happened, and here is my heart, take this. It is like that. And so I think that is coming through in all the words, I was just thinking of the difference that we see in the normal course of interactions with people, that if you get something from someone, you offer thanks. And what Nikhil has told, I think, goes beyond that, that without getting anything, that you give thanks. So what could be better, isn't it? In that sense, you're not expecting anything, but without anything, you just give thanks. So that means you're at peace with yourself and you're at peace with the world. In whatever condition you are, in whatever condition the world is, you are at peace with it. I think from that space of acceptance, if we speak, even our silence will be gratitude. So I think that has come through in all these beautiful words. So thank you for letting me be part of this.
Thank you, Sriram. Thank you very much. Beautiful words. Chandan, do you want to say anything?
Is it any disturbance from my side, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. First of all, as I grown up, I really don't know what is gratitude, and uh, as I grown up, right? So I couldn't write a single card also. But I used to take 1 hour per day to write a gratitude card. But meanwhile, I increased it. అంటే త్వరగా రాయడానికి ప్రయత్నించిన and there is something magic happening, as Shivanika says. Some I used to have some positive vibes. అంటే బ్రెయిన్ క్లియర్ గా అవుతుంది అంటారు కదా సార్. అంటే సమ్ చిక్కులుగా ఉంటే సమ్ అంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి క్లియర్. అంటే ఒక దాని మీద క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లో ఉంటే. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ హ్యాపెన్స్. అండ్ లిటరల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే కొన్ని తోప్ టాక్స్ అయితే నాకు గ్రాట్యుయేట్ కార్డ్స్ రావాలి కాబట్టి నేను తోప్ టాక్ చేసా కొన్ని అలా మాట్లాడడానికి. బికాస్ ఐ లవ్ దెమ్ ఎ లాట్.
Thank you, Chandan. So we have 5 more minutes, and after that we'll start the Top Poetry session by Swapna. Okay, so I'm going to say, this is a human thing, right? We all want to be remembered. We all want to be recognized. We all want to be superstars. This is a common thing. Every human being has it. The only thing is you should not go and try to destroy someone else's life to get that, right? So look at what Shivani has done. Nivedita said the same thing. Sangeeta said the same thing. Kranti said the same thing. I got the first gratitude card from Shivani. And just a simple gratitude card, and Shivani has made a difference in their lives. And she has become a superstar too. And they have become superstars. By just a simple gratitude card, by Shivani sending it to Sangeeta, even though she doesn't know her. She sent it to Kranti, she doesn't know him. And she sent it to Nivedita, she doesn't know her. But she did it. So that simple act has created such a positive feeling, such a happy feeling for all of these people. And I'm sure Shivani felt the same thing. So there is so that is one thing I want all of you to remember, is there are many simple ways to collaborate with people, to create happiness in the people around you. So start looking for those simple ways, and I think you will feel magical. The whole thing becomes magical when you start doing these simple things to create a heart-to-heart connection with people around you. Okay, thank you everyone for willing to come on a Diwali day